Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Sky Cube box remote not working or responding, reset, pairing and signal fix. So the fix one, replace the batteries. So remove both AA batteries from the remote, insert a fresh air of high quality AA batteries, make sure the positive and negative ends are aligned correctly and test several buttons to see if the remote respond. Fix to restart the Sky Cube box. Turn off the Sky Cube box at the wall socket, unplug it and wait for at least 30 seconds and plug it back in and switch it on. Now wait until the box fully loads and the front light becomes stable before testing the remote again. Fix 3. Reset the Sky Q remote. So press and hold the 7 and 9 buttons together. Keep holding until the LED light flash 4 times. Release the button once the flashing stop. The remote is now reset and ready to be paired again. Fix 4. Repair the remote. After resetting, reconnect the remote to a SkyQ box. Point the remote directly at the SkyQ box and press the hold and 3 together for few seconds. Now wait for the lead to flash. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Now the fix 5. Check for signal interference. Move closer to the SkyQ box. Then remove any object covering the front of the box. Now keep wireless devices such as router and speakers a short distance away while pairing. Then try the pairing process again. The fix 6. Test the remote in infrared mode. If Bluetooth pairing fails, the remote may still work through infrared. So reset the remote using 7 plus 9 and do not press 1 plus 3 afterward. Then point the remote directly at the SkyQ box and test the buttons. And if it works only when pointed directly at the box, the Bluetooth connection may need to be repaired. Now the fix 7. Contact Sky support. So if your SkyQ remote still is not working after replacing the batteries, so restarting the box and repairing the remote. Then contact Sky support for the future assistant. Then visit the Sky and Help website and select Sky Q support. And use the online troubleshooting tool to diagnose remote issues. And start a live chat with the Sky advisor if available. Then call Sky customer support and explain the troubleshooting step you have. So goodbye and thanks for watching.